Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a super fast graph in Google Sheets. So first, we are going to put in our two groups. Let's assume you only have two. And on this left column, I'm going to number my trials and also put in an average. And I'll enter in my data for each trial. These are raw data that I'm entering in. And you can also have sheets average for you. And so if you're doing a calculation, you do equals, and in this case, average. And I'm going to highlight my data and put it in parentheses and hit enter. And it gave me an average right there. I'm going to increase the decimal to 1 decimal place. And here's a little trick. If I click on this box, then I move it over, click on that little square in the lower right corner and drag it over, and it'll average my second column for me too. And then I'm ready to graph. So what I'm going to do is put my independent variable on the left column and my dependent variable on the right column. So let's see, I have my colors and my dependent variable. I'm going to make something up, number of missing teeth. Okay, and then I'm going to put in my average, and I'm just going to enter it in by hand. You can link it to the calculated averages if you want, but I'm not going to. And then I can highlight my two columns, including the titles, and go to Insert, Chart. And my graph pops up here, and it's already a bar graph. If I didn't want a bar graph, I can click on chart type and choose a line graph or some other graph if I wanted to. Over on the right, there's a customize tab, and I want to get rid of my legend, so I'm going to say none because I don't need it. And if you look here, the way I set it up, on the x-axis is the independent variable, on the y is my dependent variable, and that's what I want. I'm going to change the chart title by clicking on charts and axis titles, and over here I'm going to say average number, get rid of this number sign, so average number of missing teeth of different colors. And I can also change the axis titles too. So over here, I'm going to say average number of missing teeth. And that is it. It looks like it's done. Thank you for watching.